We got an amazing deal for our Orlando stay at Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake Resort. As we entered the gated property, it immediately felt secure and well organized, which is always a plus when traveling with children. The resort offers everything from studio rooms to 3-bedroom suites. We stayed in a clean, spacious, and comfortable 2-bedroom condo with a full kitchen, washer and dryer, 2 bathrooms, and sleeping for up to 8 people. There were 3 beds plus a sofa bed. Comfortable, clean, and perfect for a family stay.
There were multiple water parks, a playground for the young kids, plenty of resort activities such as golfing, jet skiing, kayaking. There was an arcade, gyms, pickleball, tennis, a basketball court, and a long lazy river, various restaurants.
They even provide a daily schedule of events which made it easy to plan each day or just go with the flow. And honestly, it exceeded our expectations. The resort was way bigger and more vibrant than we imagined. This place is massive. It's about 1,450 acres. So we figured the best way to show it was to drive through and capture just how large it really is. Hospitality team was great too. After check-in, communication was easy through text. They were quick to respond with helpful updates and reminders about daily activities. As we drove past some of the residential areas, we noticed larger properties that we soon came to learn were 6-bedroom houses, likely offered to members only. We didn't get a chance to explore that area though. This area is also where timeshare meetings are held. We're not sure if those are required for all first-time stays, but it's definitely something to be aware of if you're considering booking here. And even so, if the meetings are required, that does not mean that you are required to invest. The water areas and play spaces felt age-appropriate, fun, and easy for us to enjoy right along with them. And location-wise, it doesn't get much better. It's right next to Disney and only about 30 minutes from Universal Studios. So you get the best of both worlds, attractions nearby and tons to enjoy at the resort. Overall, the stay at Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake was unforgettably fun. The resort surpassed our expectations with something new to explore for every visit. Thanks for watching.